So the big thing we looked at were all the key change stuff. And basically, like looking at that note I wrote down, we're starting with, you're basically going to play in your G sharp major, drop down to the F extended blues scale, and then we go into E flat major, and we can stay up here for the F extended blues again. And then we drop back down to our G sharp, and of course it's the F minor. It's the same thing as your G sharp. Basically, it's just your relative to it. So I guess I'm going to be technical. I should have written A flat major and F minor, but anyway. So what I did was put together a backing track that you can practice these ideas to. So it has a bass line that uses notes that fit for all three of these: the F minor, key of F minor, the F extended blues scale, and the key of C minor. So the way I have it set up, so you're going to listen to when to change, is you're going to hear like a 1, 2, 3, 4 on the snare. So basically it's going to cycle through the progression twice. So it starts with the crash cymbal, and then it runs through once, then it runs through again, and at the end of the second time you're going to hear a da-da-da-da. So when that crash comes in again, you know it's time to change over to the next scale. So I'm going to point it out. So that's the start right here. Repeat just began. So you're going to hear that da-da-da-da coming up. Right there, so that's your cue to change to the next scale. So I'm going to demonstrate a bit so you can get an idea of what you can do with this. So starting with our A flat major scale. Extended blues now. Go to the C minor or your E flat major. Any of the scales in that key work just fine. Back to the F sharp extended blues scale. And your F minor scale, or key of A flat or G sharp. Start over again when you get to the end of that list. So that's the idea. The track lasts about 10 minutes, so hopefully that gives you plenty of time to practice going between those different scales, and we have some fun getting familiar with the different sounds and whatnot to go along with it. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. I'll plan on seeing you next week.